Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about 3 different types of resets / shutdowns. And this is important because you need to know how to take care of your iPhone. The 3 different types of resets we're going to be talking about is a regular shutdown, we're going to be talking about a hard reset, and then we're going to be talking about a factory reset. Now, let's start off with the easy one, which is just a shutdown. Sometimes, let's say like you open up an app or something's lagging or something's frozen, it helps to shut down the phone in order to basically clear out the cache, clear out all the memory and everything like that, and restart fresh. Now, sometimes it's recommended to do this maybe on a weekly basis just to refresh your phone. So I'll show you how to do that. This one's pretty easy. There's 2 different methods of doing it. One is if you go into your settings, you can just pull down from the top, go into your search bar and type shutdown. Boom, you're gonna hit shutdown, and then you're gonna have the option down here. You're gonna click that, and that's going to give you this option here to slide to power off. When you slide, it's gonna shut down your phone. Now, another quicker option is to just hold the volume down button and the power button together, and by doing this you're going to get the same menu or similar menu, and you're going to slide to power off. By doing this, you've just shut down your phone, and to turn it back on you just got to press and hold the power button again, and you're going to be up and running in no time. Now, the second method, hard reset. Why do you need to do a hard reset? Now, what ends up happening sometimes is, let's say your phone is frozen, like you can't do anything. In order to do a hard reset, all you gotta do is press volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the power button until the phone shuts down, and then you see the Apple logo. So you gotta keep pressing it until the phone entirely shuts down, and then you see the Apple logo, and then at that point you can let it go. This will basically power cycle your entire phone, and this is basically a hard reset. Any issues or cache or memory that is affecting or impacting your phone should hopefully be cleared at this point. Hard resets are good to do here and then. I actually like doing the hard reset more than the shutdown because it basically achieves the same thing. It clears the memory cache and everything like that, but you also don't have to wait for a couple seconds and then press the power button to turn it back on. It just does a restart. Now, the last and final shutdown is basically a factory data reset. Now, these are very important for several reasons. You may not necessarily always keep your iPhone forever, right? There's going to be times where, once you've used the phone, maybe you want to give it to a family member for them to use it because you're getting another phone, another iPhone. Or let's say you want to sell your phone on the market. In order to do that, before you do that, you want to make sure that your phone is factory reset. Another reason could be sometimes there's just an app or something that you've downloaded that has impacted your phone in a way where even doing a hard reset is not fixing anything. You're still having issues, you're still having glitches and bugs or lagging or freezing up. In that case, doing a factory reset helps because it completely wipes the phone clean and you can start fresh. Now, the quickest way to do a factory reset is you're just going to jump into settings. I just like swiping down in the settings menu, clicking up top, and then typing in reset. You're going to see an option here, third down from the top, called erase all contents and settings. Now, this is like your master erase, which will literally erase all your iPhone data, all your settings, everything. Once you do that, you've wiped the slate clean and you have a brand new iPhone all over again. Now, I hope this video was beneficial and helpful to you guys, whether you guys were selling your phone or having issues or anything like that and just want to reset your phone. If you did find this beneficial and helpful, please go ahead and like this video. Please share it with your friends and family if you think they might find it beneficial, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content just like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.